My dear friends, today I want to show you how work a real working hack for one-win website for game Lucky Jet. Look at this, my official Telegram channel Shark1x Games and me Shark1xBet. If you want this a real working hack for Lucky Jet one win. Look at this, my friends. Actual fresh date and fresh time today, 28 July 23 year. And let's go, I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome. This is one win official website, you see, my friends. All this real. Look at this. You see, my friends, one win point who's casino play. This is official one win website. Live chat. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 28 July 23 year. And let's go, my friends, I want to show you how it's work. Go to my mobile Android phone. This is my mobile Android phone. Choose application Aviator Predictor. One win. And choose Lucky Jet. Just wait a little bit and you see next coefficient when Lucky Jet stop. Just wait, it's loading. Yes, you see, guys, this is next coefficient when Lucky Jet stop, you see? Yes, it's worked perfect. Okay, take it this. And place a bet. And show you how I win money right now. It's big coefficient, I like it. Look how it's worked. Yes, I withdraw money and win money. It's a real work perfect. Okay, I'm placing next bet. No, I missed this bet, my friends, because it's a very low coefficient, you see. Very low. Wait a little bit. Again, low coefficient, my friends. Okay, I'm place a bet. And show you how I win money right now. It's work real perfect, my friends. It's a real work. You see my balance? Live chat. And place the next bet. It's a real working hack application for Lucky Jet Casino one win. Yes, I withdraw money. My official Telegram channel, guys, and me, if you want this a real working hack for Lucky Jet for one win. You see? Live chat, my friends. My balance, you see. And go to the personal account, withdraw money. And I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date, guys, and fresh time, 28 July 23 year. Thank you for view, guys. Bye bye, see you later.